guys, it's Mrs. Helton again. Thanks for joining me for another day of counting. Okay, so we are going to start with counting backwards by 10, and we're going to start at 90. So warm up your voices with me, ready? Okay, we'll start with 90. We're going backwards by 10. Here we go. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Good job. Okay, what patterns do you notice? Right, everything ends with a 0. Whenever I count back by 10, my ones place always stays the same. No matter if I start on a decade number like 90 or if I start at like 93 and count backwards by 10, then I would have a 3 every time in that ones place. All right, let's try another one. This time, we're going to count backwards by we're going to start at 80 and we're going to count backwards by 10. But I'm not going to do all of it with you. I'm going to get you started and then I'm going to ask you to finish counting for me. All right, let's do this first part together. Here we go. 80, 70, 60, 50, 40. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. I want you to finish the rest, okay? All right. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to work on ordering these numbers. Remember, when we order numbers, we're putting them in some kind of order. Today, we're going to work on least to greatest. Remember, least means the smallest amount, and greatest means the largest amount. Okay, so let's look at our numbers. We've got 995, 999, and 909. Are these already in order from least to greatest? No, they're not, are they? Which one of these numbers would be the least or the smallest amount? Yeah, 909. Good job. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to move it to right here. Okay, because it's my smallest, my least amount. Now looking at these two numbers that are left, I have 995 and 999. Out of these two numbers, which one is the least? Yeah, 995. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to move it right here. Okay, so do you think 999 would be the greatest? Me too. It is the biggest number. It's almost 1,000, isn't it? Good job. Okay, now you're going to do a task where you're going to put some numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay, let's try this one. Now we're going to do 1 more, 10 more, and 100 more. Think about the number 387. Hold it in your head. Okay, if I want one more than that number, just think about counting. 387, 388, that's right. 388 is one more than 387. What if I said I want 10 more than 387? Okay, think about when you're counting by tens. What number would you say next? 387, 397. Yeah, what changes? Just the number in the tens place. When we counted up one more, what number changed? Just the number in the ones place. So when I count up by 1, my number in the ones place changes. And when I count up by 10, my number in the tens place changes. Wonder what will happen when we count up by 100. So hold the number 387 in your head and think of 100 more. What did you get? 487, that's right. What number changed on this one? That's right, the number in the hundreds place. Interesting. Let's try another one and see if that's a pattern we can figure out. Let's think about 500. So if I'm going to think of one more, what would I say after 500? 500, 501, that's right. Good job. Okay, hold that number 500 in your head again and think about 10 more. What would 10 more be? Just like you're counting by tens. 500, 510. Good job. What changed? Yeah, that number in the tens place. Did the number in the ones place change when we did it with 501? It did, didn't it? Good job. All right, think about 100 more. So 500, what's 100 more? Did you say 600? You did, you're right. Good job. Very nice. Okay, now I've got an example that I want you to do. Thanks for doing some counting with me today, boys and girls. I hope you have an awesome day.